लोग कहते हैं हाईटेक का जमाना है। हाईटेक का जमाना नहीं, हाईजेक का जमाना है। संस्कृति, सभ्यता और संस्कार को हाईजेक कर लिया गया है। तो वहां ताली बजने शुरू हुई, पूरे बहुत, गांधी स्मृति भवन बहुत, हम समझते हैं 2000 तो लोग होंगे ही होंगे। तो ताली बजने लगी, बंद नहीं हो ताली, तो मैं चुपचाप खड़ा रहा, क्या करता, ताली बंद हो तब ना मैं कुछ बोलूं। तो मैंने कहा हम कोई नेताजी नहीं है कि हमको ताली की भूख है। योर क्लैप इज ए डायरेक्ट स्लैप ऑन माई चीज। हम जो कहते हैं उसको सुनिए, समझिए और करिए। विद दीज वर्ड्स आई थैंक यू ऑल। सर, इस नोबल प्रोफेशन में आपका सबसे बड़ा दुश्मन ना आपका प्रिंसिपल है, ना आपका साथी है, ना आपका हेडमास्टर है। सबसे बड़ा दुश्मन है चेयर। जो चेयर का सहारा लेता है, बच्चे समझ जाते हैं ये पढ़ाने वाले गुरुजी नहीं आए, बैठने वाले गुरुजी आए। तो हाफ ऑफ यू इज swallowed by them. हमारी अवस्था को देखकर आया था रिक्वेस्ट कि बैठकर बोलेंगे या खड़े होकर बोलेंगे। तो हमने कहा हम बैठ जाएंगे तो सब सुनने वाले सो जाएंगे। खड़े बोलेंगे, हमारा अपना लोभ था।
On behalf of principal and all staff, I am extremely grateful and thankful to Mr. K.K. Gupta for sparing his valuable time to be with us. I am extremely also thankful to you, sir, for this inspiring, enriching, and very thought-provoking talk. You have explained and given a new meaning to the term education, and I hope that all of us have heard it very, very clearly and understood it. And since you have goaded us to self-introspect, I am sure that all of us will do that and will strive and work hard to be excellent teachers, inspiring teachers. You also talked about habit formation, and I assure you that we will work together to remove the habits which are not required. And we have also learned about the word problem, and we'll try to find a solution for every problem that comes across. And certainly your talk tomorrow will also inspire our cadets to be better than what they are today. Thank you very much.
Sir, one part is left. I'm sorry. Please do not allow me to go unchallenged. Please tell them if they have any question. I will be the happiest person. The third thing I could not take care. बूढ़ा आदमी भूल गया. So actually, I must not be allowed to go unchallenged. If there is something in your mind, anybody's mind, please come up with that. And I share my experience. अब आप माइक दे सकते हैं ताकि कोई प्रॉब्लम हो. हमने जो कहा वो एक्सेप्टेबल नहीं हो. और सर, ऐसी गलती नहीं कीजिएगा कि बूढ़ा है इसलिए छोड़ दो. नहीं, अगर आप क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछेंगे तो मैं समझ जाऊंगा कि आई डिडंट टॉक सेंस. इसलिए क्वेश्चन कुछ भी पूछिए, नहीं तो मेरा ये आना बेकार हो जाएगा. प्लीज कोई भी क्वेश्चन पूछिए. यस सर, एक इनको दीजिए ना. Everybody will listen.
Thank you, sir, for enriching us on the various aspects of the teaching, which we encounter here, and generally in the institutions which has got residential in the nature, and where since morning till night there are number of missions to be accomplished. So where the teaching goes with the missions, which is multifarious and multidimensional, where the aspect of psychology, which is very important from my point of view, plays a key role, and where the parents or the teachers is more than the parents or the teacher, to my mind. The reason being because when we try to explain the role of a teacher in these kind of the schools, where we carry on these 3 children at the home back, or the 2 or the 1, and where 65 is given to the soldier, where you are supposed to be parent to explain each and every responsibility of that child. So somebody is rightly to be explained that I am a father of 66 children or 67 children and 68 children, whatever they are at the back. Then after that, I will not come to this issue. My simple request is, nowadays the greatest hurdle in the part of the teaching is that the boys are extra exposed, and these extra exposure has got them to away from the motto which they used to be pursued. Of course, the motive of the teaching is based on what institutions you are, and where the institutions always differ as the persons and the fingers differ from each other. We know that what you rightly say, that सब कुछ हो रहा है इस तरक्की के ज़माने में, क्या सबब है कि आदमी इंसान नहीं बनता. And the prime motive of the teaching, according to you, to transform this unman into the man through the process of education. What I feel to be troubled, sir, as you say that, the nation which values the most is a part of the education to me, because if you have to come across to the various socio-political circumstances nowadays, it becomes very difficult to define. As you rightly say that, the book doesn't define the nationalism. It's the character which defines what is the nationalism. Where the person which has having the certain kind of dresses on the body and the guns in the hand could be say that he is the true nationalist, or the farmer who serves in the ground to feed the millions of the people can be say as a true nationalist. So, under these circumstances, sometimes the mind disturbs, where the boy is disturbed internally under the various circumstances or the routines, or the boy is disturbed because of the family background, as he has not been able to cope up from there. The boy is disturbed because there is lot of extra passages nowadays which is uncontrolled, what you say as the mechanized world, which is more injurious and dangerous, and this is more hijacking the culture than giving the so-and-so things. So to save it, sir, the prime responsibility out of these all factors to groom a child into a true citizens, we should primarily think of the socio aspect, or we should think about this materialistic aspect, which is meeting the goal ultimately to set somebody as a being the officers in the life.
So what's your question, sir? I come to that point, but I would like to have your question.
Yes, sir. So this social point has to be given more stress, sir, or in what way it has to be given?
I got it. I got everything. Sir, there are 3 P's involved. One is people, I had referred to it. The other is okay. I had talked of 3 P's. Please sit down. Please be seated. I had talked of 3 P's. Parents, principal representing all teachers, and parents, pupil. That is, actually, I find, I am very much with you, whatever you have talked, they are all acceptable to me, and you have placed it in a wonderful way. But time has changed, okay? These socio-economic changes have affected all. You cannot be an exception, I cannot be an exception. We are not exceptions actually. We are the victims of the same change, number one. But one thing is always there. Actually, a school of this status doesn't allow me to come out with what is what. But I tell you the basic truth of life. I had a mind to come to this school and I had a mind to share my experience with you, and I have talked of these changes by quoting several examples. इंजीनियर, मैं तो बहुत साफ लफ्जों में कहता हूँ कि भाई आज के पेरेंट्स कितने गड़बड़ हैं जो कहते हैं डॉक्टर बनो तो किडनी चुरा लो, इंजीनियर बनो तो लोहा सीमेंट खा लो, टीचर बनो तो ट्यूशन पढ़ाओ। तो मैं लिटरेचर का स्टूडेंट हूँ। इन आइसोलेशन नथिंग लिव्स, okay? It is contextual. So I am happy that you have raised a valid point that socio-economic condition is such, corruption level is such, everyday children are seeing no. So our duty is to erase as much as we can. It's not that we are capable of removing it altogether. It's true. Your role is limited. But at the same time, sir, you are the only person who can bring the change. Maybe one only. मेरे बच्चे मुझसे पूछते हैं आप क्यों जाते हैं इस स्थिति में। ये राजस्थान में लेक्चर देके गया, ड्राइवर को 5 बार कहा कि हमसे गलती हुई, नहीं उतरे। 4 आदमी थे, ड्राइवर भी गया, 2 जो स्कूल से लेने आए थे वो भी गया, मैं बच गया। 70-40 कैसे? तो हम खुदा मियाँ, मैं बच्चों को कहता हूँ कि खुदा मियाँ धक्का दे के भेजे हैं कि जाओ अभी और कुछ करो, तो हम क्यों नहीं करेंगे? तुम क्यों हमको रोकते हो? हमारे सभी बच्चे अपोज्ड हैं माइनस द एल्डेस्ट वन, जो हमको हैदराबाद भी इंटरनेशनल सेमिनार में भेज दिया, वहाँ भी हम कहीं भी सर ये सही है, हम लोग कुछ नहीं कर सकते। दिस हैंडीकैप इज देयर, बट रिमेंबर सर, एक डार्कनेस के लिए दीपक तो जलाने की जरूरत है। आप जिस पोस्ट को होल्ड करते हैं सर, ब्रह्मा और विष्णु और शिव तीनों की इच्छा होती है यहाँ आदमी बन के आवे, तो उसमें भी टीचर, हम उदाहरण हम बोल रहे हैं सर, इसको याद रखिएगा कि 100 बुराई के बाद भी हमारा टीचर उन 99 अच्छाइयों वालों से अच्छे हैं। गड़बड़ी किस में नहीं है भाई? हम में नहीं है क्या? Am I fair? No. लोग कहते हैं सर आप बहुत अच्छे हैं। My answer, you little know how wretched I am. मनुष्य है तो गलती तो होगी, तो गलती होगी, लेकिन सर आपका रोल इम्पोर्टेंट है। सोशियो इकोनॉमिक चीजें और जो एक्सप्लोजन अभी टेलीविजन के बारे में कल बच्चों को बताएंगे। लोग कहते हैं इसकी हिंदी है सर दूरदर्शन। दूर से देखो नहीं तो चश्मा लग जाएगा, आंख खराब हो जाएगी। दूर से देखो। गुजरात का अभी एक लड़का टॉपर हुआ है कॉलेज में, विश्वास करेंगे वेरी रिच फैमिली, और उसके घर में टीवी नहीं है। बच्चे उसको किस तरह से उनके दोस्त उनको टीज करते होंगे, इमेजिन कीजिए। तो सबसे पहले दूर से देखो। 50% लोगों की आंख में चश्मा लग गया है कच्ची उम्र में। दर्शन करो, कोई अच्छा प्रोग्राम आवे तो देखो। कामाख्या दर्शन, वैष्णो माता दर्शन रोज करने जाते हैं, लेकिन अभी तो बच्चे चाइल्ड इज ट्यून टू टीवी लाइक एनीथिंग, कभी मम्मी के सीरियल के चलते, तो कभी भैया के क्रिकेट के चलते, कभी पापा के न्यूज के चलते। यू सी, तो सोसाइटी को ही मेन जिम्मेदारी है, लेकिन उसमें टॉप की जिम्मेदारी टीचर की है। एनी सप्लीमेंट्री क्वेश्चन सर?
No, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you very
No,
much.
I am fully with you.
Thank you, sir.
Not that whatever you talk like a teacher and educationist, but at the same time, you are very important.
Thank you. Thank you.
बच्चों से भी हम कल कहलवाएंगे, I am important. My result is not that important.
Yes.
This will infuse confidence in you. और किसी को कुछ पूछना है? Yes, sir. Anybody?
Any other question?
Yes.
No? Huh? Thank you very much, sir.
स्पीच का लेना है, स्पीच का